Is hot water coming out painfully slow on your Ninja Luxe Premier? Waiting forever to fill a cup or steam a pitcher? This is usually caused by mineral buildup, improper settings, or blockages in the hot water line. Let's go step by step to restore that flow. Step 1. Check that you're in the right mode. Make sure the machine is set to dispense hot water, not espresso or steam. Some models require you to press a specific button or turn the selector knob before water will flow freely. Step 2. Try running multiple short water cycles. Run 2 to 3 hot water cycles back to back. Sometimes, air pockets or pressure stalls can block flow, and back-to-back runs help clear them. Step 3. Inspect the water tank and fill level. Ensure the tank is above the minimum line and seated correctly. A loose or underfilled tank can reduce internal pressure and slow down dispensing. Step 4. Descale the machine. Mineral buildup is a common reason for weak water flow. Run a full descale cycle using a descaling solution, especially if it's been over a month since your last one. You'll find the official descale guide linked in the video description. Step 5. Clean the hot water nozzle and steam wand. If your machine has a shared outlet for steam and water, mineral residue or milk buildup can cause partial blockages. Wipe the exterior and use a cleaning pin if one was included. Still running slow or not at all? There may be a clog deeper in the system or a pump issue. Support and manual links are in the video description if you need more help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.